Hey guys, how are you, man? Welcome again. This is Ryan Campbell, Diamond Leader for Corners Lions Group. I'm just going to carry through a quick tutorial on how do we max out this matrix by a duplication of 10 partners. So the idea here is that everyone will learn the system and coach 10 persons. And from the duplication of this action, however long we take to do it, will produce the maximum result here. So first, let's go into some quick concepts. 45% CS commission happens when anyone that you bring into the business buys book set 1 through to 6. Team sponsored commission is 20%, and that's when the persons who you bring into the business brings someone in. And you get 15% as instant commission whenever the book set purchased by the person sitting on the various levels matches each other. So let's go. So let's say you've brought in 10 partners. Now these 10 partners would have bought book set 1. So therefore you'll be getting 45% of that as sales commission, which becomes $9. So you'd have earned your first $90. Now instant commission would also happen here because they have bought book set 1 and they're sitting on level 1. So you get 15% of $20. So you get a $3 here, and now you get 120. Now the system is programmed automatically to purchase book sets once we earn enough profits to do so. So having earned 120, then we'll be able to now buy book set 2 and 3. Hence $80 will be subtracted from the 120, leaving a $40 balance. And we would now have purchased book set 2 and 3. So that sets the precedence for everyone within the business that creates 10 sales on row 1 that they'll buy book set 2 and 3. And remember, each time your 10 partners buy any set of book, you get 45%. Anyone they invite to the business or bring in, then you will get 20%. So now it's their time to duplicate. So now 100 persons are brought in. Now, because we've set the precedent that anyone builds their first level of sales will earn 120 and automatically buy book set 2 and 3, it means that our 10 partners would now be able to buy book set 2 and 3, and we're going to get 45% again. So therefore that would work out to be 45% of $80 is 36. So we'd get another 316 commissions, because that's 36 times the 10 persons who have upgraded and bought book set 2 and 3. Now the persons they brought into the business have bought book set 1. So you should be getting 20% of book set 1. So 20% of book set 1 will work out to be $4 per person. And that's now $4 times the 100 persons that they have brought in. So therefore you would be getting a total commission there of $400. Now there will be no instant commission here because these persons have yet to buy book set 2. Now carefully look, you have earned us $760. So now you would be able to buy book set 4, 5, and 6, which cost $240 when we add them all up. So we'll be left with a balance on that level of 520 and an overall balance of 560. So we now own our full powerful set of financial education ebooks, and now we're in profit line of 560. Now we're going to duplicate some more. So the precedent has been set that second level of sales will enable everyone to purchase their full 6 set of books. Now 100 persons getting 10 each would bring 1,000 persons in. And now that would be a second level for your 10 partners. Therefore, they would be able to purchase their full 6 set of books because they'll earn just like you. And once they've purchased book set 4, 5, and 6, then it means that you'll be getting 45% of that, which is 108 times the 10 people. So you'd earn another 1,080. Now the 100 person they brought in have now built their first row of sales. So it means that they too would be able to upgrade to buy book set 2 and 3, because the first row of sales enables the person to buy book set 2 and 3. And when they buy books, we get 20%. So now 20% of book set 2 and 3, which is 20% of $80, will equal $16. per 100 person who have bought them. So again, we'll get team sponsored commission. Now, because the 100 persons have also bought book set 2, which is now matching the level they're sitting on, which is level 2, then we should be getting instant commission of 15% of the second set of book that matches us. So therefore, we'll be getting $4.50 here in instant commission. So that would pay a further 450 in total, because that's 100 times 450. Now let's encourage the others to duplicate just like we did. So that would bring forth 10,000 persons here. Here we'd have realized that we've maxed out sales commission because our 10 direct partners have bought all 6 sets of books. So now we're looking at team sponsored commission and instant commission. Now with the second level deep of sales created, it means that the 100 persons would be able to buy book set 4, 5, and 6. And again, we know that 20% is what we get whenever they buy a book set. So we need to be finding 20% of 60, 80, and 100, which would work out to be $48. So we get $48 per 100 persons who have bought book set 4, 5, and 6. Now, we're now going to be looking at our third level because we've now maxed out both sales commission and team sponsored commission, because both the 10 persons we brought in buy all sets of books and the 100 persons have now bought all 6 sets of books. So the only commission we'll be earning from this point would be instant commission, which means when the person sitting on the relevant level buys that book that matches it. So now let's look at these 1,000 persons. Having built one level of sale, just like us, they'll earn 120 and be able to buy books at 2 and 3. Therefore, the third one would match our level that they're sitting on. Therefore, we'll be getting an instant commission here of $7.50, which becomes 15% of $50. So therefore, we get another $7,500 in instant there. Now let's build some more. Everybody's duty is to find 10 partners. So now this level will have 100,000 persons. But let's look at the persons on the fourth level if they have bought book set 4 as yet. So they build the first level of sales. They're 120 and buy book set 2 and book set 3. So it doesn't match us. Therefore, there's no instant commission here. So we need to build some more. Now, 1,000,000 persons will be brought in by 100,000 people getting 10. But that would now build a second level for the persons on level 4, enabling them now to buy book set 4, 5, and 6. So now we'll get the instant commission for the fourth set of book, which matches us. So we'll be buying in 15% of $60, which equates to $9. So here we'd earn an instant commission of 90,000, because that's $9 times the 10,000 people on level 4. Now let's build some more. So 10 million people would be on level 7, which would create a second level for the people on level 5. Now they are able to upgrade to buy book set 4, 5, and 6. And the fifth one is the one that we are concerned with. So we'd be finding 15% of $80, which is now $12 per person. So $12 times 100 and 1,000 persons would be 1.2 in earnings for us. And here would hold 100 million persons. So this is a whole lot of people that are being financially educated by our simple effort of coaching 10. And here we'd be earning $15 because we're earning 15% of a $100 book set that they've bought per million people sitting on the level 6. So this level will pay a maximum of $15 million. Guys, it's pretty much a simple system, a powerful formula, people working together, creating our own economy where there's no recession ever, just a will and a way, and working together towards solving simple problems. Guys, wealth creation has never been difficult, but we're socialized poorly, so everything becomes difficult. So guys, let's work together on this one. Empower ourselves so we can make great decisions and just watch ourselves grow. Guys, I thank you for watching, and share this with everyone that you love. And the person who shared this with you truly loves you and want to give you a financial solution, powerful in knowledge and an economic solution. So thank you again, and bless you.